Hey friends, it's Peachy. So I know this video is like 3 months late, but I was super busy with school and dance and work, and I just didn't have any time to edit my footage. I have so much footage to edit, but I'm back and I really hope you enjoy my 2020 bullet journal spread.
So the notebook I'm using this year is from Panda Nature, and I got it off Amazon for $20, which I think is $15 cheaper than my Scribbles That Matter notebook. I didn't get a new Scribbles That Matter this year because I read a lot of reviews saying that the quality has gone down by a lot, so I regret not buying more. But yeah, I really missed the paper quality. It was so smooth and so buttery, but oh wells. So let's open this notebook up and see what's inside. I like that it comes with 3 ribbons, even though I never use them. I'm going to be trying out this Tombow brush set that my friends got me for my birthday last year. Thanks guys! And here's me checking them for bleeding. The pages are quite thick, so it didn't show up on the other side. Gotta write my name on the first page too. The pen that I used for Peachy was a bit red, redder than I thought. I skipped the first page because I wanted it to be a meme page, so this is the next side. This is gonna be for quotes, and I didn't fill it up all the way so that I would have some space so I can add some more later. If you guys know any good quotes, please comment them down below so I can copy them. And then for my next page, I'm just drawing myself a yearly calendar. This is where I like to add important dates like birthdays or exams. I also use this page as a period tracker. Sorry if that's TMI. For this page, I'm using it as a place to keep track of all the books and movies I want to check out this year. I also added a place to write down like travel plans, but obviously with the coronavirus going around, all my travel plans are canceled. And I'm so sad, but you know, things just happen sometimes. And hopefully I'll get to go to some of these places eventually. Here I'm drawing like a kawaii earth. Here's my best attempt at drawing the continents. I can't draw, so they're just blobs. If you guys have any good book recommendations, also please leave them in the comments below because it's March and I haven't read any books other than the ones for my English classes because I'm doing an English minor this year, so I do get to read a little bit more. But honestly, I just end up using Spark Notes most of the time as well. Last year, I took up an entire page for movies, but I only ended up filling like half of it. So this year, I just decided to use half a page as well, and I'm just drawing some blobs for popcorn kernels. I thought it would also be a good idea to add a section for work because I'm working currently part-time. And this page is to write down the YouTube videos that I will eventually get to making and editing. I also have a page to write down some of the dances I want to learn or some songs I want to choreograph. I'm really passionate about dancing and I love 4 different styles. I mainly love ballet, lyrical/contemporary, heels, and hip-hop. This school term, I have actually been dancing for like 7 hours per week, sometimes 8. I also thought it would be cool to have a page where I can put some pictures up. I'm planning on printing 1 picture per month of like the best memory from that month or like one of the best memories. Also forgot to mention I added another page for like monthly goals. So like the bigger things that I want to accomplish broken down into monthly doable tasks. But honestly, it's been 3 months and I have not really used this at all. But I remember I did use it last year to write down like the videos that I wanted to make because I didn't have a YouTube page. And for the design of this page, I'm just doing like dots and using hearts to like make the corners of each box. I just really like using pastel colors in my notebook. I also busted out my washi tape. Oh my gosh, I love washi tape so much. I have way too many, but I just used them to make a little box for each month. And now back to the quotes page. I just made like a little cover page and wrote 2020 on it. And I also went back and redid my name in black pen because it's like a Chinese superstition that writing your name in red is bad luck. So here's the final flip through of my notebook. This is gonna be the meme page. And this is the quotes page. Then this is my monthly calendar for important dates. These are for monthly goals. This is a page for stuff I want to try. And YouTube and work dump, dance dump, music dump, and a monthly highlights page for cute pictures / memories. I'm also going to show you guys my January spreads. So this is a cover page. I love penguins. And yeah, I just wrote down the date and day of the week. I really like this spread because it's Starry Night themed. This one is like star themed. And this is cloud themed, and yeah, that's it for the month of January. Thank you guys so much for watching my 2020 bullet journal setup, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!